In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a roster within KeepShift. On the sidebar of your menu, scroll down to Roster. Once you click Roster, your roster dashboard will appear. It'll first appear with all your employees on the roster. Now, navigating this screen is easy. On the top left-hand side, you'll see that it will display the different locations that you've set up within your company. It'll display the date. So we're working from the 16th of May to the 22nd of May. It'll display whatever you set your roster to display at. I've got it in weekly, but you can display it as a day or monthly. But I like to operate in weeks. Okay. On the top here, you can filter by just one employee to just do the roster for one. You can do it by all or various teams, or you can do it by role. Okay, so all will be everyone. Let's just say we choose a bricklayer. It will filter out the bricklayer. Now, to create the roster is easy. Okay, all you have to do is press the plus sign on the person. Now, you'll notice on Al Bundy here, as an example, there's a little red cross box. And what that means is he's unavailable for that day. So within his profile, he might have entered that he's unavailable on Monday the 16th of the 5th for whatever reason. You can go back into his profile and see why he's unavailable. Now, to add Jack Brown, what we do is we press the plus sign. Okay, we're going to put Jack starting at, let's say we say 8 a.m. and we're going to finish Jack's normal day is to 2 p.m. We create the shift. Now, as you see, this is in grey because we're just creating the shift. So reading this, you can copy this shift to another person or another day. You can edit this shift or you can delete it when it's at this stage. Gives you the time, the role, and what it has calculated with the pay rates. So the pay rates are something that you've created within the system. It's worked out a budget of $180 based on the pay rules that you've set for this current day. You can see on other days when he's working 7 to 3, it's calculated at, say, $240 for the Thursday. So his total cost of wages at the moment is $420. So what I can do is copy this shift. So go to the copy button, left click your mouse, go to a clipboard, just click the clipboard, and it will paste it in. Now I want to paste it to a different person. Let's say I paste it to Al Bundy. I click the copy, go to the clipboard, left click, and it pastes it in. Now I want to save this as draft. You'll see 3 days are already, 3 shifts are already saved as draft. So if I wanted to come back to this, they will be in draft. So the color will change from gray to orange. I press save draft. Now if I wanted to push this roster out, you go to publish roster, and it will push out to all the staff on the roster that they have been assigned to a roster and the dates. They will receive an email and a notification on their phone. And it's as easy as that. Now, if I wanted to copy this week to the following week, I just go to the light blue bar here, which says copy week, left click, change the week that I'm operating in. So we'll go to the following week. Okay, and then paste shifts. I want to save it as draft. Click the save as draft. It saved it into orange. And I can leave that for a later date in case I want to add other people to the roster. And that is how simple it is to create a roster within KeepShift. You can work forward. You can work months in advance. If you have a